Here is an example of conditional logic using Elementor-based builder. When I click Yes, of course option, the email and message fields are displayed. You see? On the contrary, when I choose No, please do not contact me, no field show up. Now let's take a short look at how I do to implement this condition. Start by creating a field named Would you like to be contacted with 2 checkbox answer. You can see. Secondly, I add an email field. Enable conditional logic and set condition. When Yes, of course option is selected, the email is displayed. Thirdly, we add message field and set condition similar email field. Finally, update and have a preview. Try it now and see how conditional logic brings your forms to life.